Panglima TNI bersama Panglima Komando Indo-Pasifik Admiral John Aquilino meninjau pelaksanaan latihan puncak Combined Arms Live Fire Exercise atau latihan tembakan munisi tajam terintegrasi antar kecabangan Super Garuda Shield ke-16 tahun 2022 di Pusat Latihan Tempur Kodiklat TNI Angkatan Darat Batu Raja, Sumatera Selatan.
So you're here.
Hey, aloha.
Aloha.
Good to see you. I hear it's going great.
Yeah. Joe Gerard. So I heard about you.
Well,
Thank you for coming.
Good. Thank you for doing this.
Thank you
This
for
is awesome.
coming. Thanks.
Atas menara tinjau Puslat Purkodiklat TNI AD, Jenderal TNI Andika Perkasa bersama Panglima Komando Indo-Pasifik serta perwakilan delegasi dari sejumlah negara peserta Super Garuda Shield memonitor jalannya latihan bersama 1.527 prajurit dari TNI AD, US Army, dan Australia Defence Force. Diawali dengan penembakan rudal Javelin, sebuah senjata yang mampu menjebol lapisan tank baja dari jarak jauh.
Yeah. Javelin is very accurate.
Kemudian disusul tembakan dukungan dari berbagai jenis heli milik TNI AD serta US Army dengan manuver tertentu untuk mengecoh musuh dan menghancurkan target. Dilatihkan juga penembakan Artillery Saturation Rocket System atau ASTROS milik TNI AD dan High Mobility Artillery Rocket System atau HIMARS milik US Army yang memiliki tugas membantu para prajurit di garis depan melumpuhkan musuh.
Are we good for starting?
I'm ready.
Okay. Relatif berjalan lancar, banyak beberapa dinamika seperti adanya rintangan yang harusnya dihancurkan tapi ternyata tidak hancur, sehingga itu harus direspons secara cepat oleh Komandan Hompi, sektor yang paling kanan tadi, yang terakhir. Nah, itu juga memberikan pengalaman baru. Latihan pendidikan hari ini itu baru bisa kita lihat mungkin 10 tahun, 20 tahun ke depan. Itu adalah investasi. Jadi menurut saya yang penting kita berlatih bersama untuk tahu sama tahu, dan akhirnya adalah bagaimana kita kemudian sama-sama misalnya ada kejadian bencana alam untuk saling bantu.
It's wonderful to be back in Indonesia, and I'm proud to be a part of this tremendous exercise. So I am honored to be here. Thank you, my friend. You really hit it out of the park. It was tremendous. The U.S. soldiers are proud to be a part of this team. They learned from your forces, and all of the forces learned from each other. And we came together when this exercise started as strangers, and we're going to leave as friends. So thank you very much.
General Aquilino, well, thank you so much once again for coming and for making this year exercises way better than we did last year. It was not because last year was not good, but you know, we have improved, and I think we were seeing what we saw this morning, you know, with pride. I'm very proud of what my soldiers did, you know, during the exercise, and it shows that the guidance, the partnership, the sharing knowledge and skills, you know, from your side, from the Australian, from the Singaporeans, work very well. Thank you so much once again, and you know, I want to see you again next year. Thank you. Have a safe flight.